Namaskar. Welcome back to Kapangi Travels. My name is Nisha. Today, I will explain how we can check if our work permit is original or fake. Okay. As we all know that we all carries this question, how do we check if our permit is original or fake? There is no certain website where you can actually check, and there is no certain link which I can share you with. There is nothing like that. So if you are feeling that I am going to inform you anything, then please disconnect this video, because I'm not going to share anything like that. But there are always certain ways by which we can check if our permit is original or fake. Let me begin with your invitation letter. All right. So, as I have already informed you about the company details, now we'll see if our papers are original or not. So, in most of the cases, as we all have noticed, that the duplicate paper has certain setting changes, or the duplicate paper will be having some default in it. First default which I generally noticed is the contact details which you see over here. You can see this one. I'll show you on the screen as well. You guys can actually check it out. On the screen, you will see the contact name and the number. If you will zoom that, you will see either the lines are not perfect or the numbers are not correct. And the second point is the date which is mentioning your contract start date and end date. If you will zoom that, you will also see the defaults over there. And plus the defaults between the name and the line will be visible over there. So on your invitation, you can see these details by which it can be little clear. Okay. Now, the second page comes as your contract page. We all can see the contract are two different types of contracts are there, which I have already explained. But in most of the cases, I have noticed the paper, those who are faulty or those who are fake. I saw the client details, the client numbers and detail format will be different than the original format of the other things which is mentioned over there. So it is not like that. In original permit, your name will be only highlighted, but the font and the other information will be similar. There is no change at all. So this you can take care and you can actually see the difference on your paper. Now the third thing. On the last page of your contract, you can see the name and the signature. You can zoom that, the signature which they have provided you. You can zoom that. If it is a copy pasted or edited one, that will actually blur or it will not be that clear to you, because the signature is all the signature on your paper will be done once it is printed. So there will be a difference of color. So by this, you can actually notice if it is original or fake. I hope whatever information which I have provided, it is clear to you and understandable. If you have any questions or if you have any queries, you can leave me comment on the comment box, or you can send me WhatsApp or send me mail. I'll be more than happy to help you out on your queries. And if it is helpful or it can help others as well, please do share, comment and subscribe my channel. Till then, this is Nisha Chauhan signing out. Dhanyavad.